What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today we doing a tomato pie. A tomato pie, y'all. So the first thing we gotta do is slice and dice 3 green tomatoes and 1 red. After we get all our tomatoes sliced up and diced, we gonna get them into a bowl with some fresh basil and a tablespoon of garlic paste. Then we're gonna add us some cheese. Now I'm using mozzarella here, but hey, use whatever kind of cheese you want. And then we're gonna give that a quick mix. Now I have a pie crust that I pre-baked for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna put our tomato mixture straight into that pie crust. Even it out, add a little bit more cheese to the top, and then we're gonna get that top crust right on. Now these are those pre-made pie crusts that you can get from the grocery store. And then we're gonna cut those edges off, and then just pinch those two pieces of crust together with a fork, y'all. And then create a couple of vent holes. Then get it into a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. And this is what you got, y'all. I'm just adding a little extra cheese on top. Now let's give this a taste. That crunch from that crust, that fresh basil, and that cheese is all coming together, making a beautiful flavor right inside your mouth, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is so tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.